up, guys? I just bought this little tripod from Walmart for 30 bucks, bro. I have the mic set on it. It came with a little light. The light is not bright, but the handle is awesome. It's a pistol grip handle. And then I have the mic on top. We're gonna see how that sounds. I got it plugged in right now, set to smartphone. It's got camera mode and smartphone mode. But yeah, it was only 30 bucks, and it's a nice little pistol grip. I like the ergonomics of it. It's only $30, so can't beat it because it came with the Type-C to TRRS and the Lightning to TRRS to plug directly into the mic. I don't know how good the mic is, or the light is not as bright, you know, but for 30 bucks, I couldn't walk past it just because I just wanted the pistol grip. I mean, I probably won't use the mic or the light often, but I'll show y'all here in a minute the Walmart. I don't know if it's gonna flip this, but it's called the Focus or the Focus by On smartphone volume kit with Bluetooth remote control. Let's see how it sounds. All right, guys, I'm gonna see how the vibration does with the fucking whatever you call it. Oh, the pistol grip, iPhone pistol grip. I just want to see how it does with the stability using the selfie cam on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I don't have the mic or the light on it anymore, so it's pretty lightweight. I mean, it's a cheap China piece, like very non-durable plastic, very cheap plastic with a little button hinge that either you make it a tripod or a pistol grip. But the ergonomics of the pistol grip is like, I mean, I don't know if they measured my hand or not, but the ergonomics is like perfect for my hand. And then it's got like a little thumb grip, and then three grips for when you have it on tripod mode. But yeah, I just want to see the stabilization. It's not a stabilized mount or tripod by any means. It just comes with a little cheap spring-loaded phone holder with the little, I guess the quarter-inch drive screw mount to the foot of the tripod itself. So it's all solid mounted basically. But I just want to see, can I vlog with the phone with this? Because I'm not gonna lie, the $40 rig, it's good for filming forward shots and all that, but it's impractical to put it on that just to do a selfie vlog or whatever you want to call it. I do this mainly for explanation videos. That way I just pick up my phone, throw it in selfie mode, and I hate holding the phone itself, you know. I have it in, I don't know if y'all can see the camera. But yeah, it's just a little pistol grip, and it's really ergonomic. For 30 bucks, like I said, came with the USB Type-C, USB Lightning to TRRS because it came with a little shotgun mic. That video I filmed before this was on that mic, but this, I was sitting still. Right now I'm driving. You know, I'm not looking like right at the camera, I'm looking at the road. So that's just, can I keep the grip tight? And I know with the pistol grip, I'm gonna hold that a lot more steady than just holding the phone, vlogging and explaining to you guys. Say I'm doing a follow video explaining what I'm gonna film, or, you know, just a vlog, I guess, because I'm not really good at vlogging in general. So if I can get simple little tools to make it a little more comfortable and easy for me, that's what I'm doing. I have that rig that turns it in more like a cinema handheld camera, but this is just an iPhone. I do use it to film content in 4K, so I can be, you know, accurate with what I'm shooting. But this is more of a just hold it in my hand deal, so that's why I opted for I don't have any pistol grips. I have a mini tripod that's got 3 legs and you fold them all together, but even that, like, I could never get the angle correct because it had a swivel on top. This one has no swivel unless you click the hinges and you fold it into the tripod, or you fold it out to be the pistol grip. I'm gonna show y'all. I guess I showed y'all on the box, but this is just a quick review. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, but whenever I buy like some little knickknacks for vlogging, whatever, I just learned to start filming and use it. That way I can go back and watch a video and see, was I comfortable? Was I getting a good shot? Was the clickety-clackety of the device itself picking up? Because I did buy a mic, a really good mic, but I'm not good at handling it, so I'm always jostling and bumping around. And when you do that with some mics, you know, you shake the cable or whatever. So I'm just trying to get something comfortable that I don't use anything external, just the phone. This is just a simple explain it video. You should be able to hear me perfectly with the iPhone camera in a vehicle or indoors. Now, high wind, I still have not really figured that out. I have a dead cat I can put on the camera, but I mean this phone, but I really don't prefer doing it that way. But yeah, I'm pulling into a bumpy area here in a minute, so we'll see if the phone starts jostling a lot more than I'd like it to. Again, I'm in selfie mode on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have no stabilizer or anything like that. I don't know what kind of stabilization that the software has in the iPhone. I feel like it's pretty decent because I'm not thrown off very often. But yeah, it's pretty natural for me to just record and I'm just holding the pistol grip, guys. That's all it is. I mean, if you play games or you know ever shoot, it's literally just like that. And filming is, they call it shooting. Well, depending on the camera, it's not always the most comfortable. And I'm just trying to make this little iPhone as comfortable as possible because for me, I'm not a heavy editor, I'm not a heavy vlogger. I just pick it up and go. Then the iPhone works for me because then I just upload it to iMovie and trim out the useless parts, which hopefully this video is not useless. Again, this isn't on the little mic that it came with. I'm gonna do some more stuff on it. This will probably be a different video for the channel, but it's just content, guys. You know, I want to know, I want some feedback. Really, I don't get a lot of feedback from you guys. I know I get some likes here and there and you guys share it, but I want to know, how can I improve as a filmer, because I don't have any filming skills. I just pick up the camera and go, and you guys know the very first videos were all just set the GoPro and forget it. But the GoPro I had was a 10 and it didn't have good audio and it didn't have good nighttime, so any night footage is usually 4K 60 on the iPhone. This is probably the longest that I've used this little selfie camera. Apparently it's 4K. I don't really care. As long as I can tell what's in the picture, that's usually fine with me. But yeah, I'm looking for some feedback from you guys. How can I improve the film quality, the audio quality? This is all a learning process for me. I'm not monetized or anything, but I know in the future when I really want to put out the best content for you guys to watch, you know, and enjoy. You know, it may be one thing that I think what I'm filming is cool, but it's a whole different story when you guys can't enjoy it because I didn't capture it. And capturing that is filming it with a decent camera and having usable audio, you know. And that's one thing that I really struggle with is I rarely focus on the filming and the audio part of things because I'm just doing the work, you know. I'm busy tuning or I'm busy wrenching. So I do appreciate it, guys, when y'all just pick up the camera for me and film me. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, it's my responsibility to film for you guys if I'm going to continue vlogging or making any content in general. So I'll do some rollers with the front camera here in a minute. Well, not rollers, I'll do some walk-arounds because I'm not allowed to film while driving, and if I show plates or any unit numbers or anything and my boss sees this, I could get in trouble. But yeah, anyways, y'all don't know where I am, but I'm gonna do some outdoor scenery stuff with the little shotgun mic and the pistol grip and on the forward camera. Well, I guess that's the back camera, but you know what I mean. Yeah, iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm not gonna let this thing go till it's dead. I'm gonna get a real camera in the future, obviously, for more advanced filming, but at this point in my life, I'd like to keep it as simple as possible, and I think a smartphone is the most simple way, and a $30 mount, like, I mean, you can't go wrong. Yeah, I have my other rig. I don't know if y'all have seen it on the channel yet, but this one's like, I don't know how to explain it, guys. If I could just set it down and not care if it breaks, would be cool. This is a $30 kit. The complete kit was only $30, so I'm not losing a whole lot if I take this out and about and just carry it, everyday carry, you know. That could damage my rig if I just take it every day everywhere. It's pretty delicate as well. It's stronger, but it's still delicate. You know, if I drop it or smash it, then I'm gonna be upset I broke that nice rig. So this is just my go rig, my go vlog kit. And normally that's just me grabbing the phone, and that's that. But this little mic, this little whatever you call it, I can have this thing in my pocket pretty much. I'm gonna call this my little pocket vlogger kit because it's so tiny. But yeah, I'm at the job site, guys. I gotta get to work, but I'm gonna try to film some stuff real quick. Alright guys, I got the mic plugged back in selfie mode still. I'm gonna go for a run and see how the mic does with the wind outside. That's heavy wind right there that I'm running through. And I'm running through dirt, so it's gonna be really loud. Y'all aren't gonna know what I'm doing until I film more. But I want to go in the wild. I'm in heavy brush right now, and I'm crackling, and I'm running through the grass, and I'm gonna flip the camera and the mic right now to show you. All right, guys, they say I'm not allowed to film out here, so I'm trying to be sneaky. But I got the mic on. Oh, let me put it. All right, we're vlogging 4K 60 with the mic. I don't know how well y'all are gonna hear me from in the back of the shotgun mic. I got the shotgun mic pointed towards the scenery. I'm just doing a quick review on the shotgun mic and pistol grip holder. I know I'm not supposed to film back here, but I'm not gonna show y'all anything y'all don't need to see. I'm gonna face the wind. I'm gonna point y'all down and just run through the grass. Shotgun mic with the pistol grip, and it converts into a tripod. Bro, 30 bucks. But I bought a bigger rig and I don't like bringing it to work. It's like my whole setup. So I went to Walmart. I seen it. I was going for a cable, and I got it came with the lightning cable and type C and a light and the shotgun mic for 30 bucks. Like, bro, I can't lie. I just wanted this. I just wanted the pistol grip. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna go test it out. Alright guys. Alright guys, I got the little box that I got the little Focus vlogger kit from at Walmart on my lunch break, and it came with this little 2 AA battery powered hot shoe or cold shoe, whatever. You can set it up like that, but here it is, guys. I have it set up like a tripod right now, so you can set it and film forward, or flip. All of this flips. They're all cold shoe, hot shoe stuff. But this is the mic. Inside the truck wasn't too bad, but I'll have to review the footage that I just went and ran through a cornfield like a weirdo. But yeah, it's just a screw-on, simple spring-loaded clamp, and then you fold it into a pistol grip, and you press these 2 buttons, and boom. Guys, this is the most simple little pistol grip phone mount that I've ever used. And I have like a couple mini tripods, and they're all cumbersome, and I don't like it. But like, to me, I could just throw this in my lunchbox, or even maybe pocket it if I wanted to. And it just makes it a little easier to handle the phone on the go filming. Like, look at the size. It's tiny, guys. This was only 30 bucks, and it came with a light, a mic, 2 USB-C and a lightning, all in here, guys. Like, I'm not like trying to promote Walmart products or nothing, but for a budget guy, I'm a cheapie, guys. Yeah, not bad. Let's check out the audio. Hey guys, I just realized I didn't do a test without that kit on. I didn't do a test without that mic or that little tripod. So this is just iPhone, no mic, no holder. I'm holding it in my hand, and I'm gonna do the same thing I just did. All right, I'm holding it the way I usually hold it, and I'm gonna walk through this. I think I was in selfie mode last time. I'm just walking through this shit the way I always hold my phone. Getting a video for you guys without that shotgun mic with the mic muff. I don't know if the iPhone knows which mic to use, but y'all can hear me while walking through this. I'm just trying to simulate what I just did, but on the mount and the mic. This is just iPhone, and it's upside down. Awesome. It's upside down. Yeah, that's great. Okay. But anyways, that video was upside down, but this might just be for me. This is a before and after. I'm gonna do the same thing and run through the grass. It's really windy out here, guys. I know the iPhone's smart. It'll lower its EQs, but usually that ends up turning off the mic eventually. But the Mustang video I just uploaded the other day was completely useless because the mic kept buffing like hard, and that was a mic that was $30 alone. Yeah, that was a mic that was $30 alone, and I just bought this tripod kit for the pistol grip, and it came with the mic and a light. So hopefully y'all can hear. This is a before and after of the audio of a selfie cam on the iPhone 14 Pro Max.